The Ministry of Health's capacity was on Friday morning boosted with a donation of 2 solar refrigerators and 50 vaccine carriers from the United Nations Children's Fund. During brief remarks, Minister Honorable Dr. Frank Anthony thanked UNICEF for the timely donation.
We are very pleased that very quickly, almost on the second day of your arrival here, that you were assisting us with vaccine carriers and, of course, the 2 solar fridges. I think they would complement what we already have, and we look forward to working along with you.
UNICEF's area representative to Guyana and Suriname, Mr. Nicholas Prawn, noted that while the equipment will be primarily used for the COVID-19 vaccine campaign, it will also contribute to the sustainability of a broader immunization campaign.
Immunization is one of the most cost-effective, sustainable public investment one country can make to save the lives of many children. And of course, the goal here is to save the lives of children, all children in Guyana and their relatives in the fight against COVID-19.
The donation comes as the country is ramping up its preparation efforts for the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine.